I am glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today we are diving into the Mercedes A-Class from the W176 generation, produced between 2012 and 2018. This compact hatchback marked a bold shift for Mercedes, moving from a quirky minivan-like design to a sleek, sporty premium offering that appealed to younger drivers in the UK. While it boasts impressive handling and a luxurious interior, it is not without its flaws, and we will explore the top 5 weaknesses that owners often encounter. Let us start with one of the most common issues: the air conditioning compressor. Many owners report that the compressor fails prematurely, often leading to a lack of cool air during those sweltering British summers. This problem can stem from faulty clutches or internal wear, and repairs can cost around £500 to £800 at a specialist garage. Wiring faults are another frequent headache for A-Class owners. Electrical gremlins, particularly in the engine bay harness, can cause intermittent faults like dashboard warning lights or even engine misfires. These issues are often traced back to poor insulation or rodent damage, and fixing them might set you back £300 to £600, depending on the extent of the damage. On the positive side, the A-Class shines with its efficient engines, offering models like the A180 diesel that achieve around 4.5 litres per 100 kilometers on the motorway. The cabin feels premium with high-quality materials and intuitive infotainment, making it a joy for daily commutes in cities like London or Manchester. However, these strengths can be overshadowed if you neglect regular maintenance. Transmission problems rank high among the top weaknesses, especially in models with the 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. Owners complain of jerky shifts, hesitation during acceleration, or even complete failure, which is frustrating on UK roads with stop-start traffic. Repairs or replacements can be pricey, often exceeding £1,000, so it is wise to check the service history before buying. Turbocharger issues plague some petrol variants, like the A250, where the turbo can fail due to oil starvation or boost leaks. This leads to a loss of power and that dreaded check engine light, disrupting your drive on the M25. Fortunately, the car's agile chassis and responsive steering make it fun to handle when everything is working well. Suspension wear is another common weak spot, with front struts and bushings wearing out faster than expected, especially on pothole-ridden British roads. This results in a bumpy ride and unusual noises, and replacing components might cost £400 to £700. Despite this, the A-Class offers a comfortable ride for its class, blending sportiness with everyday usability. Let us not forget the good points. The safety features are top-notch, with multiple airbags and stability control that earned it a 5-star Euro NCAP rating. Fuel efficiency is a strong suit, helping keep running costs down amid rising petrol prices in the UK. Yet, potential buyers should budget for higher maintenance compared to rivals like the Volkswagen Golf. Electrical glitches extend beyond wiring, with some owners facing battery drain from faulty modules or sensors. This can leave you stranded, perhaps on a rainy day in Birmingham, and diagnostics alone might cost £150. On the brighter side, the resale value holds up well, making it a smart choice for those planning to sell after a few years. Engine oil leaks are reported in diesel models, often from seals around the timing chain cover, leading to messy underbonnets and potential long-term damage. Addressing this early can prevent bigger issues, with fixes ranging from £200 to £500. The A-Class counters this with smooth performance and a refined driving experience that feels more premium than its size suggests. Interior build quality, while generally good, can suffer from rattling trims or creaky plastics over time, especially in higher mileage examples. This detracts from the luxury feel, but it is often fixable with simple adjustments costing under £100. Many appreciate the spacious boot and versatile seating, ideal for small families or urban dwellers. Fuel system problems like clogged injectors in petrol engines can cause rough idling or reduced efficiency, hitting your wallet at the pump. Professional cleaning or replacement might run £250, but the car's low emissions help with UK road tax bans. Overall, it is a stylish option that turns heads on the high street. Brake wear seems accelerated in sportier models, with pads and discs needing replacement every 20,000 to 30,000 kilometers. This is a safety concern, and costs can add up to £400 per axle. However, the braking performance is sharp and confidence-inspiring, enhancing the dynamic drive. Some owners note rust issues on the underbody or wheel arches, particularly in salted winter roads across Scotland or the north. Regular inspections and treatments can mitigate this, costing around £100 annually. The A-Class's aerodynamic design and LED lights add to its modern appeal, making it stand out. Infotainment glitches, such as software freezes or Bluetooth connectivity problems, frustrate tech-savvy users. Updates at a dealer might cost £100, but the system integrates well with smartphones when functioning. This car excels in blending technology with driving pleasure. Coolant leaks from the radiator or hoses are another niggle, potentially leading to overheating on long journeys like from London to Edinburgh. Repairs could be £300, but the engines are generally reliable once sorted. The variety of trims, from SE to AMG line, offers something for every taste. Exhaust gas recirculation valve failures in diesels cause power loss and increased emissions, failing UK MOT tests. Cleaning or replacement is around £400, yet the low running costs make it economical for commuters. Its compact size is perfect for tight parking in city centres. Steering rack issues, including knocks or fluid leaks, affect handling precision over time. This might require a full replacement costing £800, but the electric power steering is light and accurate. The A-Class handles twisty B roads with enthusiasm. Timing chain stretch in some engines leads to rattling noises and potential breakdowns. Early intervention costs £500, preserving the car's longevity. With proper care, it can easily surpass 100,000 kilometers reliably. Paint quality can chip easily on the bumpers, especially in urban environments with stone chips from motorways. Resprays might cost £200 per panel, but the color options are vibrant and eye-catching. It maintains a premium image years after purchase. Central locking failures, often due to faulty actuators, leave doors unresponsive. Fixes are around £150, but the keyless entry is a convenient feature when working. Security is robust with immobilizers standard. Headlight condensation affects visibility in foggy UK weather, requiring seal replacements for £200. The adaptive lights, however, improve night driving safety. This adds to the car's sophisticated tech package. Fuel pump relays can fail, causing starting issues on cold mornings. Replacement is inexpensive at £50, but it is annoying nonetheless. Efficiency remains a highlight, with hybrids offering even better figures. Wheel bearing wear produces humming noises at speed, needing replacement for £300 per side. The alloy wheels look sharp, enhancing aesthetics. Grip is excellent in wet conditions. Catalytic converter theft is a risk in urban areas like Manchester, costing over £1,000 to replace. Anti-theft measures help, and the exhaust note is refined. Performance models deliver thrilling acceleration. Door handle mechanisms can stick or break, especially in frequent use. Repairs are cheap at £80, but it affects daily convenience. The sleek design makes entry feel premium. Battery issues from alternator faults lead to frequent jump starts. A new alternator costs £400, yet the electrical system supports modern gadgets well. Reliability improves with quality batteries. Windshield wiper motors fail in heavy rain, a common UK scenario. Replacement is £200, but visibility features are otherwise good. The panoramic roof option brightens the cabin. Gearbox mount wear causes vibrations during shifts. Fixes cost £150, improving smoothness. The manual option is engaging for enthusiasts. Turbo intercooler leaks reduce boost efficiency. Repairs at £300 restore power. Acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in under 7 seconds impresses. EGR cooler failures in diesels lead to coolant mixing with exhaust. Costly at £500, but emissions compliance is a plus. It meets Euro 6 standards easily. Suspension coil springs can snap on rough roads. Replacement per corner is £200, but ride height remains consistent. Comfort is balanced with sportiness. Oil filter housing leaks drip onto driveways. Seals cost £50 to fix, preventing stains. Engine longevity is strong with regular oil changes. Dashboard display pixelation affects readability. Screen replacement is £300, but navigation is intuitive. Connectivity keeps you informed. Exhaust manifold cracks in high-mileage cars cause leaks. Welding or replacement at £400 fixes it. The sound is subdued and elegant. Fuel tank sender units fail, giving inaccurate readings. New units cost £150, ensuring you do not run dry. Range exceeds 600 km per tank. Power window regulators break, trapping windows. Repairs per door are £200, but operation is smooth otherwise. Tinted glass adds privacy. Camshaft adjuster solenoids malfunction, triggering limp mode. Parts cost £100, restoring performance. Variable valve timing enhances efficiency. Rear light clusters fog up internally. Seals at £50 per light solve it. LED durability is excellent long-term. Thermostat failures cause overheating or poor heating. Replacement is £150, maintaining cabin comfort. Heated seats are a winter boon. In conclusion, the Mercedes A-Class W176 is a stylish and engaging premium hatchback with efficient engines and a luxurious feel, but its weaknesses like aircon compressor failures, wiring faults, transmission issues, turbo problems, and suspension wear mean higher maintenance costs. It suits young professionals or small families in urban UK settings who value brand prestige and can afford specialist servicing, perhaps budgeting an extra £500 annually for upkeep. If reliability is paramount, consider extended warranties or thorough pre-purchase inspections. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.